Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're plunging headfirst into something really critical. Anyone working with tech, law, content creation, you need to hear this.
Absolutely.
We're talking AI copyright wars. Specifically, this big showdown, Newsnet versus SynthMind. You know, the news giant and the AI powerhouse.
It's a huge case.
And these lawsuits, they're not just in one place. They're like popping up like popcorn in a microwave. Metro City's high court, U.S. federal courts, everywhere.
They're global, fast.
So this deep dive, we're cutting through the noise. We want to give you a clear picture of what this actually means for AI, for publishing, and yeah, for you.
It really is a watershed moment. Understanding the legal stuff underneath it all is, well, it's paramount. These fights are going to reshape how we deal with information, how creativity gets valued.
Right.
So yeah, we're here to break down these complex bits, connect the dots between the tech, the law, and what it means for everyday creators.
Okay, let's get right to it then. What exactly is Newsnet accusing SynthMind of? What's the core complaint that kicked all this off?
Well, Newsnet's claim is pretty direct. They're saying SynthMind's AI model, which is, one of these advanced text generators, used millions of their copyrighted news articles. Millions. Headlines, full reports, even their exclusive stories. And critically, without permission. They weren't just read by the system. They were ingested to train SynthMind's basic language abilities.
So ingested, like it learned to talk by reading their stuff.
Essentially, yes.
Yeah.
And from the U.S. side of things, it's a story we're hearing a lot now. AI companies getting sued left and right for supposedly scraping huge amounts of online content.
Scraping?
Yeah, pulling data automatically to then generate answers, blogs, scripts, marketing copy, even computer code.
Okay, so if I'm getting this right, it's kind of like SynthMind photocopied Newsnet's entire library without asking, built its brain on it, and then started charging people for access to that brain.
That's a pretty good analogy, actually. That's the heart of Newsnet's argument. The whole legal fight really comes down to who gets the credit, and maybe more importantly, who should get paid when an AI learns from and then creates things based on copyrighted work.
Okay, so Newsnet lays out these accusations.
Yeah.
But what's the legal ground here? We keep hearing fair use thrown around. How do courts actually figure these cases out, especially with AI involved?
Right. Fair use. It's central, especially in U.S. law. Courts look at those classic 4 factors. But the real fight, the tricky part now, is applying them to AI.
How so?
Well, the big battleground seem to be, first, the purpose and character of the use. Is the AI truly transforming the original content, creating something new? Or is it just, replacing the market for the original?
Oh, the transformative argument.
Exactly.